Okay, just want to make a quick video changing out the blend door actuator on my wife's 2012 smart car. They did make it pretty easy to get to. That's it right there. 3 screws right there. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. They are T15 Torx bits. This is what I used. T15 Torx. Pull those 3 screws out, and you need to pull the 3 screws out first because it's sitting up there like this. You take it off, and then you need to turn it around, and then take something and press right there to pop the plug out of it. Take a little small screwdriver, or I just used the Torx bit. Press up on that, get the plug out. See if I can get this thing to focus. It's got a flat spot right there, so it'll only go on one way. You don't have to worry about that. Put it back on, bolt it up, and then plug the plug back in. And that's it. It's on the passenger side. Real easy to get to.